So you want to learn the paper curl effect, huh? No problem, let's get started. So I've got two photos here. I've got a photo of this blue car, and I've got a photo of the gray car on the next layer. I'm going to go over to your rectangle tool and draw a nice rectangle about this big on the bottom right hand side of the page. Right about there is fine. Go to your stroke, make sure it's set to none, and the fill, you want to set it to a black and white gradient. Make sure the left side is black and the right side is white, and for the angle we're going to go with -45. Hit enter, go back to your layers panel, select the rectangle you just drew and your first page, which is the blue car. Right click, go down to convert smart object. Now command or control T to bring up the transform controls. Right click, go down to warp, make sure the warp is set to custom and the grid is set to default, and grab that bottom corner, drag it all the way up like this, and you can use these two little handles on the side to get it to how you want it to look. Play around with it till you find what you're looking for. I think this looks nice. And the last thing we want to do is go down to the layers again, right click, go to blending options, and we're going to add a little drop shadow. You can play around with these settings to get it to look how you want. We're going to play around with the opacity, see what you like to do, the spread right there, and then I think that looks fine for what we're trying to go for. Now if you run into this issue like I did, no problem. All you got to do is go back to the smart object, double click on the thumbnail. It's going to open up another window, and just adjust your rectangle just a little bit, like that is fine. Command S to save it, close up that window, and there you go. That fixes the problem. And there you have it. That is the paper curl effect. Thank you for watching.